In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Google Sign-in Metabase. We'll walk through creating credentials in Google Cloud and wiring them up in Metabase so your users can authenticate with their Google accounts. You'll need admin access to Google Cloud and to your Metabase instance, and your Metabase must be publicly accessible over HTTPS with a stable DNS address. Start by opening your browser and searching for Google Cloud Console. Click the first result to open the console, then proceed to the console homepage. If you're asked to choose a project, either create a new one or select an existing project you use for Metabase. A clear, dedicated project helps keep your credentials organized. In the left navigation, go to APIs and Services, then Credentials. Here, create new OAuth authorization credentials. You'll be configuring an OAuth client ID for Metabase to use with Google Sign-in. During setup, Google will ask for some details that control where sign-ins are allowed to originate from. When you reach the configuration fields, provide your authorized JavaScript origins. Enter the full URL of your Metabase instance, including the protocol such as https://yourmetabase.com. Make sure this exactly matches how users access Metabase, with the correct domain and HTTPS. This origin check is how Google ensures requests are coming from your legitimate Metabase server. Your Metabase instance must be running as a server with a public DNS address for this to work correctly. For authorized redirect URIs, leave this section blank for Google Sign-in with Metabase. Metabase handles the Google flow without needing a custom redirect here. After creating the credentials, copy the generated client ID. You'll recognize it because it ends with .apps.googleusercontent.com. Keep this tab open so you can get back to it if needed. Next, open your browser and navigate to your Metabase instance. Log in with an admin account. Once you're in, click the gear icon to open settings and go to the admin panel. From there, open the Authentication tab. Find the Sign In with Google card and click Set Up. In the Client ID field, paste the Google API client ID you copied from the Google Cloud Console. If you're on a paid plan and want to control who can self-sign up, you can add your organization's email domain so users with matching Google accounts can join automatically. Finally, save your changes. Your Metabase instance is now configured to support Google Sign-in, making it simpler and more secure for users to access their dashboards.